What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It is officially day one out here at SEMA. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be a little colder later this week, but the weather is fine. We're out here at the Renegade booth. We are located right outside of South Hall in the front. One of my favorite spots ever. I absolutely love it. We've got Terry over here doing the thing. He's part of it. Check out that LB Media Crew t-shirt. Okay, we're official out here. Got a good little variety going on in the booth this year. Got Sergio's truck. We got Ricky and the boss's truck. I just brought my little daily driver, you know. But she's looking good though. This beautiful C10. And we've got a couple cars over here. I'll show you. I am vibing with the cars, y'all. I haven't met the owner of this one yet. This is 86 Nebula, female owned and driven. She's a little baddie. We love that. Oh my gosh, this wrap is insane. I kind of want to touch it. Is that bad? Okay, I've been a little bored with everything I've seen so far, but look at this. What's up, y'all? We're over here in the eBay Motors booth. We've got Caroline, we've got Kaylee. You gotta be in the video.
I'm not ready for this, Charlie.
We are, it's so cold. It's never been this cold at SEMA ever that I've been here. It's like 50 degrees right now. It's been raining, the wind is cold, but we're about to do the pit stop challenge. It's a little bit different than like the real thing. That's okay, we got this. Zach just showed us all up. I think he did it in like 30 seconds. What's up, guys? It's Lacey Blair, and I'm hanging out here in the eBay Motors booth. We are burning some tires, we're changing some tires, we are pushing the limits here at SEMA 2022. And I've got my group of girls with me, and we're about to take on the pit stop challenge.
That was perfect. All right, let's get your girls.
A couple of the best ladies in the car industry. We've got Kaylee and Caroline.
The competition's here.
The competition is here.
I'm gonna get you and Lacey. Lacey, I'm gonna get a quick.
I'm Lacey. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How do you guys want to intro Rich into this? Like, Lacey walks up and says, "Hey, Rich, I want to challenge you and your team."
No, I'm all set, babe.
No. Yeah. Can you say that? You just walk away.
Actually, no.
And she goes, "Oh, I really just got the black."
I don't think I can talk smack yet. Yeah. I feel you have a wee bit more experience than I.
Giving it a try.
Really? Really? We can fix that. Oh, jeez. We're off to a good start, aren't we? Why not?
How are you feeling about this?
We are done.
How are you feeling about this?
Mediocre. Mediocre at best, if I'm being honest.
It's rigged. I can tell already.
Yeah. We have somebody that's like a professional with this, and then we're packing great. I'm being honest. Joey. I love how no one's wearing the gloves. They're just
Right,
there.
yeah, like
You
forget
don't
the
wear them,
gloves.
right?
No, I'm not. I mean, I'll break a nail if I have to.
Oh, wow. All right.
You broke it.
We gotta be ready.
You've been here 5 minutes and you already broke it.
Party foul. Immediately disqualified.
Yes, we won.
Are you not still filming? Were you not filming that whole time? Was that a practice run? Was that a practice run? Oh, I got it. Hang on. You better hope that was practice.
Let's get you
Riley, was that practice?
That was practice, I think.
Okay, that was practice.
Have you practiced already?
Yeah.
Is it the highest time the winner?
You had the highest score in the practice run.
Well, the lowest.
The lowest, but the best.
Rich had the highest.
Yeah, but you had the best.
No pressure.
You got this. Let's go. Woo!
Set the bar.
Set the bar. Come on.
Really fast. Anabolic steroids.
All right, Rich, who's going up for you
Test
now?
for PEDs.
Your phone ringing. Hey, your phone's ringing.
How dare you?
Are you still not calling? You missed the last night.
Come on! Shoot the play! Shoot it! This one! Joey!
Yeah. What? No.
Alrighty, Kaylee.
I didn't think they failed.
I didn't realize
That's 2 on 3. Come on, Taylor, you got this.
You got it.
Woo! Oh wait, the timer didn't start.
There you go. Keep going. You got it.
Woo! Woo!
He pulled that.
I did. It was 18-2.
No way.
That was so good.
Your best one was like 24.
Now I'm really nervous. So, I'm gonna get like a 40 now.
It's the other way around. He's wrong.
Come on, Steven, let's go.
next.
So we're doing average of time?
No, we're still, so they technically did, but
no.
maybe now you can be rich.
Yeah, you gotta be rich.
You can still prove that.
We didn't win, right?
The team didn't win, but you can still be rich.
Not good. You did so good. You did so good.
awesome.
It's the fingernails.
It is. Is that it?
If you take off the time for the fingernails
Oh,
compared to
okay.
these fingernails
Oh, okay.
and his fingernails, you're good.
Gotta be what it is, huh?
Let's go get some nail clippers.
You have a handicap.
I saw her trying to like grab it and I was like, her nails are nails.
Oh!
Oh, you have the best
They still lost, but that's okay. Awesome. Good game. Thank you. Great game. You killed it really well, actually.
And then you two, the least experienced apparently.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing.
Killed it. Love it. I think they were husbands.
Right.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You can't think. I did the star pattern. You didn't do star pattern.
Oh, true.
Just throw it out there. You did a circular, that's not good. You could have fell off later.
Not wrong.
Think about that next time, okay?
I thought I did the cross.
Huh?
I thought I did the cross pattern.
No, you cross-threaded them. That's what you did.
I mean, we did lose, but I think we need to tweak the rules a little bit. We did lose, yeah. Well, if they would change the rules and do like average time, we'd win. That's what it should be. Make them change the rules. Yeah, make them change the rules. That's right.
Break a nail, are you okay? She's okay, she still has it. She's still fabulous. Still fabulous. This guy.
Fold him over like a chair.
Go up to Rich and tell him you want a bonus round. All or nothing.
Oh, no.
Hang on, who's the leader of each one? You and Rich?
Yeah. And we
I
got
think
the
you guys
least
have
time.
to go back head to head one more time for the winner.
So
You got this. You beat him by almost a full 10 seconds.
okay. We're doing another round, all or nothing. All in favor? Whoop, whoop.
Good luck. The best of luck to you.
Okay.
What's your team? Are you nervous?
I am
I
actually.
wish nothing but
Beat that.
Nice job, you did it. Good game. You did it. I want to let you know, before this contest, a very large man crushed my hand for a front handshake. Just feel a little weak. That's the reason why. After I recover, in 6 to 8 months, we'll do it again. It's a hand injury.
Next year.
Let's do it. Next year. It's a hand injury.
I'll start doing mine.
Like carpal tunnel, all that stuff. And have
Casey, what do you see over here?
I'm seeing not just 2 turbos, but 3.
the first one's like
From all the way over there, so we're gonna have to go check it out. So
What do you think?
I think I need it. see if I can weld better than him.
You ready? Just set it and spray it.
Spray it.
Set it and spray it. Yeah, and with aluminum, we want to.
Yes.
You melted her at the end.
You're basing your hand off of a pivot, right? So you notice how your weave kind of goes like this at a weird thing? So you're basing your hand on a pivot. So what you're doing is you're pivoting, and as you pivot, your nozzle angle and everything is getting flipped. So what you
I
want to
need
do
to
is
like
you want to
move
drag.
along with it.
So whatever whip you
That
do,
wasn't that terrible.
no, it wasn't that great, but it's not that bad.
No, so the challenge of aluminum too, basically, is aluminum picks up heat really fast.
Oh, so I need to move
So it
a little
starts cold. Well, at the end there, it just fell in. Right?
Yeah.
So it's almost one of those things. As you're welding, you're going down, right? A constant speed. You're gonna have to kind of go a little speed up a little bit as you move, because that aluminum's just a different animal. It picks up heat. It sucks in heat real fast.
Gotcha. Yeah, whatever that part was.
But that was beautiful until the end,
Dude, you want to see it?
right?
I mean,
it looks good.
you think it looks good?
Yeah, I did too.
Oh, it looks good until it burns.
Until you melted it. You got it. Go a little faster.
Should I use the same one, even though it's
Yeah,
burnt?
just go the other side.
It's burnt through. Is that fine?
Just start at the end of the burn.
They're more patient, they're more elegant. They
That's
have that.
way better. Huh? I mean, we're gonna go get Steve's opinion on my weld. It's hot, Lee.
Right behind you.
Hey, can I get your opinion on this here?
Damn, that's your first time?
Well, no, not my first time.
You look good. I mean, it looks good, and you look good. I fucked up when I. Sorry.
She'll probably fall apart.
That one's hot as shit right
Yeah,
now.
that's hot.
No, it looks really good.
Not bad, right? Any advice?
Not really. The ends are always a bitch, so you got to get a little fast at the
faster
end.
with
But
it?
yeah, they do that though. Kind of pull off it a little bit.
Okay. Or the whole thing pull off.
No, just right there. Because aluminum's weird. It will do that as it falls apart. It's almost like you got to go, and then you got to
It's
start
too
going like,
hot,
yeah.
and then like he's back
A
on
little
it.
bit, but yeah, especially on this thin shit. But if that was 1/4 inch, you could lay down some kitchen beans. 1/4 inch. Sweet. I love it. See, you just, girls got it.
That looked a little better. That's cute. Oh, I ain't got it. I ain't got it.
And then what's down? Oh, you push down.
quick. He's coming for you. Dang.
Okay, okay. We official out here. Go follow. Okay. This thing's pretty cool. What? Under celebrity appearances?
Celebrity appearances.
Wow, that's legit.
Famous.
Got Jason over here with his truck. So sick. So sick.
Purple hair.
Oh, nice.
No, I like that.
Zach did this powder coat.
Looks good on video.
Whatever. It looks really good. So we came across this Jeep, except I don't think this thing's a Jeep. It's like double, the body's double the size. Everything is double the size. This thing is massive. You know, this really could have been in a better spot than just behind everything at SEMA, but I love this.
Where are a lot of y'all? Got a 6-ton common rail too.
No way. Holy crap. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, a Gladiator too. We're in a full-size 1-ton diesel-powered Jeep. That is sick. Built at home in the garage. Wow. I love that.